Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. Tasan here. Welcome to this Google Slide class. So in today's class we are going to learn few interesting things actually. So last class we were actually discussing about how to share, how to what is it called, how to get from templates and also open and import slides, make a copy if you want actually, and some important things about file menu actually. Today I'm going to tell you about edit menu, how to use edit menu, and if you want some actions to be undo, you can do it. For example, here we have already discussed about undo and redo option here actually what we had, and the next point comes to paste without formatting. So what does this mean by paste without formatting? For example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write here Google Slides part 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give some formatting for this one, like I have given a red color here and I have filled some colors. I have given some highlighting for this. So once this highlight is done, now I want the same Google Slides part 2 here also. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to copy this, and all I have to do is right click here and I'll copy this. Now I have copied this, but I don't want the same format to be here, so I'll just right click here and I'll just paste without formatting. So just I'll paste without formatting. So here you can see that highlights of yellow color and that red color font color has not come up here. So this is called copy without formatting. So, and the next point comes to, if you want a duplicate copy of the slide, you can also have it. So let me show you how to have it. For example, I have actually this one, I want the same copy to be duplicated. So I'm going to just what I'm going to do is actually just right click here on the slide on number 1, and I'm going to just select that slide and duplicate slide. Here you can see the duplicate copy will be produced. So my second number is also a duplicate copy. All I'm going to do is, already I have everything font and everything I have in me, so just I will remove this letters and I will just type whatever I want. Actually I can have it. So this is also one type of a thing we can have. Once we do the actually background and everything, actually we can have it for all other slides at the same time. So the next point comes to the edit option. We have select all option, as we all know actually, and find and replace. So let me just tell you actually, for example, in my slide I have something called cat. I want to replace it with I have C as capital C, so I'll just type here capital C and I will replace that with something called mat. So what I will do is actually it will ask. So now I will click on replace. If I have many things are there, actually I'll just click on replace all, and so let me find whether it is. So here you can see my cat has got changed into mat. So here also my cat has got changed into mat. So mat here and here also mat. The cat has got changed into mat. So this is all about find and replace. If you want to change anything actually which has n number of times has repeated, and that is the one. And the view is all about how you want to look into it actually. Whether you want to present now, you can control F, you can, but I will come that to the last point actually. For example, if you just click on that, you will have your slideshow actually, how you are going to present, that way it will come. And here actually motions, how you want it to be presented. So here you can see your motions, how slide transition, slide from right, or how the object animation should be, all that actually, whether by clicking or actually whether to disappear, all that fade in, fade out. So transitions are nothing but actually from one slide to next slide, when you move, how the slide should actually appear. So whether to be in the dissolve way or how it should be. So I'll just play and show you how it will look like. So this is our slide, and see, so this is how it will come. So when you click on it, so it will get disappear because we have given the disappear motion. So that this is called motion, and this is how it will be So here next the point comes to master. So I'll click on the master here. So this is something interesting here actually about us. For example, I want actually all my slides to be of same background and same font size for the title and everything. You can do it here just by one click. For example, I want actually my, what is that called, my title to be always in the color of always in the color green color I want, and always I want my all my subtitles to be in, let me just select all this. I want all the subtitles to be in some other color. Actually, I'll just select here. I'll select red color, and I want some background pictures actually or something else, so that, so upload from computer or somewhere else. So let us have this pictures. So this is our icon. So let us be, this is our company logo, which you want this to be in all the slides, so that actually we need not to every time we need to add it. So what we can do is, this is our logo. So let me resize this. So this is our company logo. This should always be present in the topmost layer, and I want to make it little bit smaller. You can make it and you can actually fit it to this thing. And same time, if you want to just fill the color actually into different, this one, you can just change the fill color actually by clicking on fill color, and you can change that into red color or something else. So here you have got a border, and so here you can see background, and we can also change the background of this. I want to change, I want an image the back side, so that this should become in all of my video. So I'm going to just get it from Google image search. You can even get it from your, so I'm going to just here we are going to talk about something called social media. So what I'll do is, I'll just click on social media, and I'll try to get some photos from here. So this is the photo what I want. So what I'll do is, I'm just click on done. So that image, that background image, so here you can see this is my background image has come up. So this will be applied to all my images. I see all the background color, everything has got changed because I have my own layout here. So here you can see this is our layout. So whichever layout we want, we can have it actually, so that we can present in an effective way. If you don't want this type of a layout, or actually you want to have one slide, if you want to change the background of this, you can, all you have to do is just get into background, and here we have got colors here. Actually, if you want to make it to green color, red color, or whatever color you want to make it this way, or actually you want it to be in this color. So it's up to us which color we want it to be. So this is all about, see, we have actually our icon, and it has changed only to the one particular used by one slide. It is showing me. I'm going to just type here to use it for all the slides. I'm going to change in the master slide, so that it will change for the all. So this is my master slide. So I'm going to just change the background of this. If I change the background slide, it will get changed in all the slides. So here I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click this, and one more color, and I'm going to click on done. So here you can see all the slides has been got changed into some other color. um, Theme color is actually the same one. Whichever theme you want, you can have it just like a background color it is. And the next point comes to, so this I will save this as rename, and as 4, and we can click on OK. If you want to weave the grid option, actually you can have a grid weave at the same time. So this is a grid weave, actually see, so how many slides we have got 6 slides. If I want to change the slides to this side, I can do that, and also this slide to be here and that slide to be there. So all that we can view actually in the grid view. And you want to actually zoom, or actually you want to have it in the full screen, you can also have it in the full screen. So this is how it is, and see motion. So I'm just normal here in the down part, you can see actually the normal where we can work. So I'll get into that. So this is how it is. Now the point comes to, I'll just click on to the second, and now if you want to insert something called actually images, you can insert, which we have already discussed. If you want to have a text box and you want to just click here and you want to apply a text box here, so just you can have a text box and type whatever you want. And the point next comes to what is it called, audio. You want to insert any audio. If you want to take it from your computer or actually from your drive, you can just take it and you can just play wherever you want. To insert here, insert a video at the same time. Let me show you how to insert a video. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to insert my own YouTube video here. So I'm going to insert a video here. So it will ask me whether to search or actually from a YouTube. It is asking me yes. What I will do is I'll just click on above find videos. I'm just going to click here, Fasil Begum. Okay, this is my channel. So I'll search for it. Let me see whether I found this. Yes, I have a slide regarding woman empowerment. So I'll just try to click on that. So that, let me see whether I get that here. So any video even you can upload from your computer. So here it is. So here is the one. This is the video. Actually you can even, so I'm just going to stop this. And so this is also the way actually we can add our YouTube videos, actually we can insert. And the next point comes to, we can insert whatever videos, actually even if we have in our computer, actually we can have it. So if you have any URL, actually if you don't know to how to search, just get into YouTube and get in the address bar, you will have a URL. Just copy and paste it here, it will directly take you to that URL. And if you have anything on your Google Drive, that also you can actually just share any of this. Actually if I double click, it will just come up there. So this is how we are going to insert videos actually in our what is it called, in our presentation. So the next point comes to what is it called, insert shapes. So this is a very interesting thing. Actually we have here, we have so many shapes. We have circle here. What I'm going to do is just I'm going to click on circle. So circle has come. So how much ever, for example, if you are explaining any life cycle process, if you want actually, if you what is it called, shapes, you can insert actually. And we have actually tables. Table here, as we all know, if you want to have a matrices of actually 2x2 chart, you can have it by just clicking this here. You can see. So just place this. Let me place this down and bring this down, and here you can see 2x2 chart. You can just type whatever you want inside. So table also we can have it actually, how much ever table. So, and then the next point comes to insert table, we are done, and chart. So for example, if you want to show any diagrammatic representation of anything, just I'll click one more slide here, a new slide. So this is a Google slide part 2. So this is my title. Actually I want the title to be something. Okay, here I'm going to add insert. So my logo is coming actually back to back, and I'm going to insert a chart here, and I'm going to click on bar chart or column chart, whichever chart actually you want. You can So here is all about today's class. Let's meet. So let's meet in next class. Take care. Bye bye.